Stop cut your old rubber grips off with a knife. If you have an air compressor, just push the top of the pistol under the grip and blow it off. It's very easy. One of the worst things to experience is to fall off your bike because the rubber grips slipped off the handlebar. I've seen people mounting the rubber grips with steel wire. I don't really like this, so today's advice is to use rental grip glue. I'm using this on almost all of my bikes and I've never had an issue with a grip coming loose. This glue is slippery at first, so you can easily mount the grip, and when it dries, it's rock solid. But keep in mind, it dries pretty fast, so you need to be quick when mounting. And don't worry, you can get your grip off again if you want to. It's not super glue. If you find yourself in the middle of nowhere and your rubber grip come off the handlebar, then it might be hard to find rental grip glue in a bush. Keep in mind, in emergency cases, you can actually use hairspray. Just spray in the rubber grip and slide it on the handlebar, and it can take you through the rest of the day.